The trading this week began on a Tuesday, as Monday over in the US was Memorial Day, so there was no trading for that day. But for Tuesday, I was looking for bullish trades coming into the morning, as we had a strong push up on the 15 minute, and I would continue to be bullish for the day as long as the 15 minute fair value gap held within the middle of the range. And I had no real target coming to the morning except for just the recent highs in the 5 and the kind of 15 minutes. So yeah. Trade wise today, I was only looking to take one position, which never got tapped into. It was after we got a strong push down through the 15 minute fair value gap, but I still considered the day to be bullish, as the fair value gap never fell. There wasn't a strong enough close on the 15 minutes. So when we got the move back up, I looked to take two micro contracts long, from about like from if you re-enter back into that 15 minute fair value gap, but we never got price to come back down that far again, and price slowly grinded its way higher for the day, so I never took trade or got tapped into it. So yeah, no trade today. Coming into Wednesday morning, I was bullish on all time frames, especially on the lower time frames, as we had the relative equal highs that were set up in the days prior, just above current price coming into the morning. And but I was hoping to see a slight retracement into the 5 minute fair value gap just below in the morning, and for price to continue higher. But for the day, I was not going to trade bearish, as I wanted to see them relative equal highs get taken. So yeah. For the trading on Wednesday, I took one trade, and it was after the open. We had a strong move up, taking the relative equal highs, my target for the day, and we just tapped it and continued down, and that's when I entered the trade on the pullback, and I was entering on a previous high, hoping they would act as support and push price back up, but no, price continued down, slowly blew straight through my stop loss, but chopped away down from there, eventually going down into the new week opening gap. But that was after a massive amount of chopping in the New York session. It was only really in the Asian session we pulled down into the new week opening gap. And yeah, down on the day, 258.96 cents. Coming into Thursday morning, I was bullish on the lower time frames, looking for price to come up and take the 5 minute high, but I wanted to see the 15 minute fair value gap hold in the middle of the range up. And if that 15 minute fair value gap fell on, of course, the 15 minute time frame, I would look to trade bearish down to the 15 minute low. And yeah, that was my bias for the morning. For the trading on Thursday, I placed one trade, and it was a short trade, not in line with my bias for the morning. We did not end up going. It did not end up as a bullish day. The trade was at about 10:30 after the 15 minute fair value gap fell, and I was confident that the move was strong on the 15 minute, that we would continue lower. I was targeting the 15 minute low. That was my ultimate target for the bearish trades. Placed a short entry after we tapped the new week opening gap, and I entered on a 1 minute fair value gap. We slowly grinded higher, but eventually we got the drop down to the 15 minute low, taking it out, and the rest of the day we retraced slightly after that, and it just chopped around. And yeah, a good day, up 270.76. For Friday morning, I was coming in bearish, but that was just because we got a move down overnight, and I was just assuming we might continue down. But really, I had no true bias for today, unless price broke through the 15 minute fair value gap. That's the only reason I would be like going bearish. But we were trading between the new week opening gaps, new day opening gaps. I had no targets around here, and we were after consolidating coming into the New York session, so it was very uncertain. But I was bearish coming into the morning. For Friday, I only took one trade, a bearish trade going down to the 5 minute low. That's what I was targeting. I entered on an old low, hoping they would act as resistance to push price back down. But it ended up as a loser anyway. Price went straight towards my stop loss basically, and slowly kind of retraced up, and I just got tapped out with the grind back up. But it was really basically a top tick out. Price from there grinded down, and ended up taking out the 5 minute low with a very strong move coming in at just past 12 o'clock. And yeah, ended the week with a red date of 293 and 96 cent.